Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. My name is Simran and this is my little brother,
Saihil.
and today we're going to be showing you how to make some dum biryani.
Is it dumb? It's meant to be clever.
No, dum is a traditional way of cooking and it helps bring out all the nice flavours. Today we're showing you our dad's special recipe and we're showing you how to make it in the Instant Pot. So now I'm going to take you through the ingredients. First we've got some thigh chicken.
We've got some olive oil.
We've got some natural yogurt.
We've got some rice and we've got some rose water.
We've got some tomato passata, but don't worry if you don't have that because you can just use some chopped tomatoes. We have some mint and coriander. We have some tomato puree.
And we've got a sweetie.
No, that's not a sweet. That's a stock cube.
Oh,
Then we have some
ginger. We have some garlic and we have some chili.
We have some garam masala, we have some chili powder, we have some turmeric, we have some saffron, we have a cinnamon stick, we have star anise, and we have bay leaves.
Oopsies, we forgot to mention the onion, but you need to have one white onion.
The first step is to marinate the chicken. I'm going to put in 600 grams of the thigh chicken. So now I'm going to put in 200 grams of natural yogurt. Now we're going to put in some mint and coriander. You should have about that much. Next we're going to put in the chili and garam masala. You should have about 2 teaspoons of garam masala and 1 teaspoon of chili powder. Now we're going to put in the chili, ginger and garlic. Last but not least, we're going to add 1.5 teaspoons of salt. And now you're going to mix together well. So once you've mixed together well, you're going to add 2 small squeezes of tomato puree.
Now your chicken should look like this.
Step 2 is to put the rose water and the saffron into a bowl and let it infuse together for a few hours. So let's do that right now. I'm going to put the rose water in. We're just going to put about that much in. Now Sahil, could you please put the saffron in here?
Yep.
Step 3 is to wash and cook the rice. The way we like to measure our rice is to get 2 mugs full to the top. Cheers.
Cheers.
Before you cook the rice, make sure you wash it thoroughly and do not soak it because it could easily overcook. While the water is boiling for the rice, add these following ingredients: star anise, bay leaves, stock cube, salt and oil. I'm going to add in the stock cube, then the bay leaves. Then I'm going to add in the star anise. Now I'm going to add in some oil. Just going to pour in a very tiny bit. Then you're going to add in 2 teaspoons of salt. 1 and 2. Now I've put the rice in. You only want to cook it a small amount. When the rice starts to dance, then you're going to want to take it out. Step 4 is to saute the onions. Make sure you cut the onions in half and make sure they're about this thin. Put the Instant Pot on saute mode. Be careful when it's on saute mode because it could be very, very hot. First, you're going to put some oil in. Then, you're going to add the onions. Then you're going to stir. After a few minutes, your onions should look like this. So now we're going to add in some tomato passata, some cinnamon and some turmeric. You're going to put in enough tomato passata to cover the base. Now we're going to add in some cinnamon. Then the turmeric. Now we're going to mix it well. Before you put the chicken in, make sure you switch it off because then it's too hot. Now we're going to add the chicken in. Now we're going to mix it. Now we're going to add the yogurt in, but this is optional. If you would like to put it in, make sure you put 2 tablespoons of yogurt. Now we're going to mix well. Step 5. Now I'm going to put on some mint and coriander. Then I'm going to put on a layer of rice. Now I'm going to put on a bit of saffron. Now we're going to repeat the same process. We're going to add some more mint and coriander, and we're going to put the rice into 3 layers. So now we've added all the rice and it should look like this. Make sure you pressure cook it for 7 minutes and let it rest for 10 minutes.
Simran, is it ready yet? I'm starving.
Not yet, but it's nearly ready.
Okay.
Keep it on warm mode for 10 minutes, then release the steam. This is my favourite part. You ready?
Yeah. Oh yeah!
of our dum biryani. We hope you enjoyed today's video and oh my gosh, this smells so good.
And make sure to smash the like button and subscribe and comment down below if it worked for you or not.
We'll see you guys in another video.
Goodbye.
Bye. So now I'm going to take you through the ingredients. Firstly, we've got some thigh chicken.